Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is your first time dropping into our channel, welcome. This is where Lori shares her passion for cooking and I share my passion for eating. Uh, Today we're very excited. A company called Change More that has a store on Amazon reached out to us and asked if we would be open to doing a review on their outdoor pizza oven. And we said we would be happy to do a review as long as they understood that it would be an unbiased review, and they agree. So what we have here is the Change More portable wood pellet outdoor pizza oven. And I'll just kind of read what it says on the box. Ultra portable at just 22.45 pounds or 12.45 kilograms. Says easily assemble easily and packs away very neatly. Built-in temperature gauge monitors internal air temps. It has foldable legs for storage and wood pellets fired flavored 12-inch pizzas. So as you probably know, we've been cooking for the last 13-14 months with a gas-fired outdoor pizza oven. So this is going to be a great experience for us. We're going to learn a lot. And while today we're doing an unboxing, the future videos we will use the Change More portable wood pellet outdoor pizza oven to cook both pizzas as well as other dishes. And if you follow our channel, you know that we cook a lot of other things besides just pizza in our outdoor pizza oven. All right, so
Okay.
let's see what we got here. First of all, I want to say this was packed in a bigger box. It was packed very well, so I was happy to see that. I did an inspection of this box. There was no damage. What you get is you get a manual of sorts, care and maintenance, lighting, goes into product size and that type of information. If you just want to hold that over there. All right, we're just gonna put some of this stuff to the side. Okay,
Or you can put it right here.
oh, I can. All right, the first thing I see.
Oh, comes with a transport
Okay,
bag.
so
Huh?
it comes with a transport bag, a carry case. Excellent. All right, all right. So,
Let me help you.
okay, there might still be some stuff in here. I'm not sure.
Okay. Let me put it down here.
Okay, great. All right.
Nope. There's just a lot of padding
A
in
lot
the
of
bottom.
padding.
Okay.
And so let's see how we.
Here, hold this.
Here, we'll just put that down there, maybe.
Okay.
And I'm not sure. You want to start to peel it?
Okay. I wonder if we slide it out this
Okay.
way. We should have put a towel
Oh,
here.
wait a minute.
Oh.
So what we have here. So what we have here is a door with a temperature gauge to monitor the internal temperature, and then I guess it's take a peek inside. I don't know yet. Again, the outdoor pizza oven we've been using did not have a door on it, so this is pretty exciting.
Just put it down.
Okay, I'm just going to put
Right.
that down there.
Okay.
All right, we have some items here. Okay, I'm sure that this is the stone. We'll come back to that.
Why don't you put it on this side?
I think we'll leave it there for the moment.
Okay. Oh, the chimney.
Okay. All right, so let's see if we can get it with this. But this is your chimney, and looks like we have a flue here, huh? I think that's what it's called. All right, and I'm sure that that's going to...
Maybe you want to read the direction.
Yeah, I'm just... so
Here, I'll
we'll
hold
set
it.
that down there.
Women like to read directions first.
It's fun to be back on the learning curve because we haven't cooked with wood before. All right, that would be the top,
Okay.
I would expect.
Oh.
Okay, well, I guess I should have brought scissors out. All right, we'll figure out where this goes. Well, I imagine it goes on one end of the oven. Okay. Oh, all right,
Handle.
here. We got a couple handles. We have some hardware.
Another handle. Would you like me to get a scissors?
Well, we're working with one microphone, so if Lori moves away. Okay, I know what this is. I expect this.
Oh, that's the pellet
This will
holder.
be part of the firebox, I would imagine, for the pellets.
Oh.
And I would imagine, I'm speculating here, but I'm imagine this somehow interacts with
The firebox.
the firebox, and
Well, there's an opening in the back.
we'll understand that. And then
Here,
I'll
I'll
just
put
put this down somewhere here.
Yeah.
And then, boy. Okay, and again, this is a pizza oven designed for 12-inch pizzas. Of course, we're going to use it for doing some dishes, probably with some cast iron. So that looks good.
Maybe we should move that so you can.
Yeah.
Or I think that said it's fold out legs, so are there legs
Yeah,
underneath?
so maybe I'll lift it up and you see if the legs fold out.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think the other side there. Oh, I guess for the audience.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I didn't bring this one out all the way.
Okay, and just so you can get a perspective, the width of this table from the nose to the back nose is 24 inches. This is a Trinity prep table.
Careful.
So this is going to fit very nicely on this table. So that's a nice size. So
Well, my first thing is, I wonder if there's any little silicone things.
oh well, we'll address that.
Oh.
So I think for you know what we see here so far, No surprises, no damage. I think the packaging was well done, and you know, when you pick these items up, they feel substantial for this size oven. And the stone arrived without being cracked or anything or damaged. So this is the Change More wood pellet outdoor pizza oven. It's available on the Change More store on Amazon at the time of this video, which is the 23rd of June. I believe it was $299. We're going to get to work. We're going to assemble it, and we're going to start producing some videos using the Change More outdoor pizza oven. And we're going to learn in the process because we have not worked with wood pellets. We have some hickory wood pellets there. We're going to start with that. And the first thing we'll do is a pizza. And so hopefully you stay tuned and drop back in to see what we're doing with the Change More. And then we can, over time, kind of finish the review. So any thoughts or anything, Lori?
Well, we haven't looked at all the directions.
Right, so we'll do that. We'll put it together, and then the next video you'll see it fully assembled. If there's any call-outs, we'll call that out in the first video. But what do you think? Other than that,
Okay.
if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, we welcome new subscribers. And what do we always say, Lori?
Like, share, and subscribe.
All right. Until then, until
See you
next
next time.
time. Bye.